In this video, we will see the hard problems of quadratic equation. Find m if roots are real and equal of equation m minus 12 into x square plus 2 into m minus 12 x plus 2 equals to 0. Now compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here a equals to m minus 12, b equals to coefficient of x 2 into m minus 12 and c equals to constant term 2. Now roots are real and equal. Therefore, b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Now we will find the value of b square minus 4ac. b square is, b is 2 into m minus 12 bracket square minus 4 into a is m minus 12 into c is 2 equals to this is the value of b square minus 4ac. 2 square is 4 and m minus 12 square is m square minus 24m plus 12 square is 144 minus 4 2s are 8 m minus 12. Now multiply by 4 to this bracket equals to 4m square minus 4 into 24 is 96m plus 4 into 144 is 576 minus 8m minus minus plus 8 into 12 is 96 equals to 4m square minus 96m minus 8m is 104m plus 576 plus 96 is 672. Now b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Therefore, four m square minus 104m plus 672 equals to 0. Now divide each term by 4. We get m square minus 104 divided by 4 is 26m plus 672 by 4 is 168 equals to 0. अभी हमें क्या करना है, m स्क्वायर और 168 की मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है, 168 m स्क्वायर, और इसके ऐसे फैक्टर्स निकालने हैं कि जिनकी एडिशन मिडल टर्म आनी चाहिए. अगर हमने -12m और -14m फैक्टर्स लिए तो इनकी एडिशन क्या आ रही, -26m. सो राइट m स्क्वायर एज इट इज. इन प्लेस ऑफ 26m we write this factor -12m -14m plus write 160 is as it is equals to 0. अब इन दो टर्म में क्या कॉमन है, m कॉमन निकालने के बाद यहाँ रहेगा m -12. यहाँ से क्या कॉमन निकलेगा, -14. फिर यहाँ रहेगा m, माइनस साइन कॉमन निकालने के बाद यहाँ का साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, यहाँ आएगा माइनस, और 14 से अगर इसको डिवाइड किया तो आएगा 12 इक्वल्स टू 0। अब इन दो टर्म में कॉमन क्या है, m माइनस 12 ब्रैकेट, फिर यहाँ बचेगा m माइनस 14 इक्वल्स टू 0। Therefore m equals to 12 and m equals to 14. If we take m equals to 12, then m minus 12 equals to 0, and first term is m minus 12 x square is also 0. So this is not a quadratic equation. If this term's value is 0, then this is not quadratic equation. Therefore m equals to 12 is not acceptable. Therefore value of m is 14. Next problem is, state whether x equals to minus k by 2 is the root of quadratic equation. Equation is 2x square plus k minus 6 into x minus 3k equals to 0. Substitute the value of x in this equation. 2 into minus k by 2 square, x के जगह हमने माइनस के बाई 2 की वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट की, प्लस के माइनस 6 इंटू माइनस के बाई 2 माइनस 3k इक्वल्स टू 0. नाउ 2k स्क्वायर अपॉन 4 माइनस k स्क्वायर इज k स्क्वायर, प्लस माइनस माइनस आ जाएगा, k इंटू के स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 माइनस माइनस प्लस 6k बाई 2 माइनस 3k इक्वल्स टू 0. नाउ इन दो टर्म में एलसीएम आएगा 4 और 2k स्क्वायर माइनस यहाँ 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2k स्क्वायर, प्लस इन दो टर्म का एलसीएम आएगा 2 या 6k एज इट इज माइनस 3 2 जार 6k इक्वल्स टू 0. 0 प्लस 0 इक्वल्स टू 0 मीन्स लेफ्ट हैंड साइड की वैल्यू आई 0. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल्स टू 0 and right hand side equals to 0. Therefore x equals to minus k upon 2 is the root of equation. Next problem is, frame the equation into if two roots are given, 1 minus 3 root 5 and 1 plus 3 root 5 are two roots. Let alpha equals to 1 minus 3 root 5 and beta equals to 1 plus 3 root 5. Then our equation is in the form of x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equals to 0. For this, first we will find the value of alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta equals to, alpha is 1 minus 3 root 5 plus beta is 1 plus 3 root 5. Cancel, 1 plus 1 2. Alpha plus beta equals to 2. Now we will find alpha beta equals to, alpha is 1 minus 3 root 5 and beta is 1 plus 3 root 5. This is in the form of a minus b, a plus b. So square the first term, 1 square minus plus minus minus 3 root 5 square equals to 1 square is 1 and 3 square is 9 and root 5 square is 5. 9 into 5 minus 45. Therefore alpha beta equals to 1 minus 45 is minus 44. The required equation, therefore required equation is x square minus alpha plus beta is 2x plus alpha into beta is minus 44 equals to 0. Therefore x square minus 2x plus minus minus 44 equals to 0 is the required equation. Next problem is solve the quadratic equation using formula. 1 upon x plus 5 equals to 1 upon x square. Here x is not equals to 0 and x plus 5 is not equals to 0. पहले हम दोनों टर्म्स का क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे. 1 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 1 इंटू एक्स प्लस 5 इज एक्स प्लस 5. नाउ राइट इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स, 5 इधर आ जाएगा, माइनस 5 equals to 0. Then compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here a equals to 1, coefficient of x square. B equals to minus 1, coefficient of x. And c equals to minus 5. The roots of equation are x equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula for roots. For this we will first find the value of b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac equals to b square is minus 1 square is 1 minus 4 into 1 into minus 5. 4 into 1 into minus 5 equals to 1 minus minus plus 5 4s are 20 equals to 21. So b square minus 4ac equals to 21. Substitute this value in the formula. Get minus b. Minus minus plus 1 plus or minus. Here we write root 21 upon 2 into 1 means only 2. Therefore x equals to 1 plus or minus root 21 upon 2. Therefore x equals to 1 plus root 21 upon 2 and x equals to 1 minus root 21 upon 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Next problem is the sum of two roots is 5 and the sum of their cubes is 35. Find the equation. Let alpha and beta are the roots of given quadratic equation. Then from the given condition, alpha plus beta equals to 5 and alpha cube plus beta cube equals to 35. Sum of their cubes is 35. What is this identity? Alpha cube plus beta cube equals to alpha plus beta in one bracket alpha plus beta cube minus 3 alpha into beta and in other bracket alpha plus beta. This is the identity of alpha cube plus beta cube. Now alpha cube plus beta cube is 35 equals to alpha plus beta 5 cube minus 3 alpha plus beta into 5. 35 equals to 5 cube is 125 minus 3 into 5 15 alpha beta. Now take this term to this side we get 15 alpha beta equals to 125 minus 35. 15 alpha beta equals to 125 minus 35 is 90. Therefore, alpha beta equals to 90 upon 15 equals to 6. Now the equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equals to 0. Therefore, x square minus alpha plus beta is 5. 5x plus alpha beta is 6 equals to 0 is the required quadratic equation.